Let us see what are the different types of selectors in a style sheet. So I will show you the document first. This is the document. Welcome to CSS Selectors. This is a heading. This paragraph uses an ID selector, something else. This paragraph is inside a division tag. This paragraph tag is not within division tag, and hover over this link. Okay. So this is the needed document. Selectors can be specified in different ways. The first one is element selectors. Here I can give whatever tag name is there. The second is the class selector. Dot class name. Class name basically helps us to define a group of tags which will have the same formatting. Then there is ID selector. ID selector is to apply to a particular element which has that ID. So it can be given like hash the ID and then whatever styling I want to. The next one is the grouping selector. Grouping selector as in I can specify multiple tags here. Descendant selector. Descendant selector basically helps to determine the P tag which is within a division tag has to be given the green color. So here it will check the descendant the tree. If it is the P tag, if it is within the division tag, only then the formatting would get applied. And the next one is the pseudo-class selector. Now in the pseudo-class selector, I can specify for an event, for the A tag, anchor tag on the hover event, what should happen. So that is called a pseudo-class selector. Now let us analyze through the program. So this is the H1 tag. For the H1 tag, it is blue color, and if we see the output, it is at the blue color. Yes. The next is H2 class equal to highlight. H2 class equal to highlight. Yes. And so it is in yellow color. Yes. The next one is paragraph ID equal to special, and so here okay, ID selector hash div1. Here it is specified. For this division tag, it is specified which has ABC. And so here this is the content that it is red color. Then for two colors, font family is specified as Arial, H2 and the P tag. I think it is this H2 tag and the P tag. The font is specified to be some Arial. The next one is, see, I have a paragraph tag which is outside. I have a paragraph tag which is inside a division tag. So now the formatting here is the color has to be green for whichever paragraph tag that's within the division tag. And so the paragraph tag which is within a division tag has green color, and otherwise it is not. And the last one is on the hover of the anchor tag, the color should change to orange, and see, on hover the color is changing to orange. So these are the different selectors in a CSS document.